Introducing Cleaner, Fresher Homes, booking agency for domestic cleaning services, Ipswich and Brisbane West. Cleaner, Fresher Homes is a booking agency that provides affordable cleaning services for regular clients on a weekly, fortnightly or monthly schedule. This proven business model operates very successfully and has shown continued growth from its inception in March 2018. Each clean attracts an agency fee, which is paid at the end of each week by the subcontractor to the business. The cleans are currently serviced by 8 professional subcontractors who have been handpicked through an application and interview process. Servicing the Ipswich area and western suburbs of Brisbane, this business requires little hands-on work from the owner. With a consistent flow of new clients, there is no shortage of work, and subcontractors pay their own insurance, tax and super. With no premises and low overheads, there's huge potential to expand thanks to growing inquiries from its current Google campaign. The business is in a strong position to step up to the next level, or even franchise this successful and proven business model.